Pika, Merry Christmas. Got some hidden fates.
What's up, guys? Found a couple hidden fates in the store, Walmart, when they were restocking, and I put it in the closet and kind of forgot about it for 5 days. And we need to get something on Christmas night. So, Merry Christmas to y'all. Wish us Merry Christmas and good luck, because we need to get this shiny Zard.
Woo!
Let's get into it.
Yep.
Okay.
Every pack's gonna have a white food card, I think.
And hidden fates?
Yeah, and every pack.
Is it 4 for hidden fates?
Yeah.
Gyarados pack. Let's see what you got.
Magma, Clefairy, Jigglypuff, Caterpie, Eevee, Ekans, Staryu, oh,
Onyx. Yeah.
Not too bad.
This one yours. One, two, three, four. Fire.
Leaf Energy, Ogre's Trap, Lieutenant Surge Strategy, Chansey, Eevee, Etchins, Charmander, Psyduck, Magikarp, Kangaskhan,
That sucks. Trickery.
Jerkery. I'm gonna say when we do all of this and stuff. Magbuff, Charmeleon, Psyduck, Charmander, Magikarp, Slowpoke, Clefairy. Ooh.
Oh.
Maybe a double hit. Vaporeon, huh?
Vaporeon. Is that ready?
We're looking for that Charizard GX.
Yeah, that would be nice.
We're gonna pull it someday. Unlike the Pikachu.
It would be nice. Last pack. Jinx, Magmar, Farfetch'd, Slowpoke, Magikarp, Pikachu, Voltorb, Coughing, Nanganadel GX, Shiny.
Naganadel.
Huh?
Naganadel.
Naganadel?
Naganadel.
I sounded dumb when I said that. Like, Nightman, Bagman GX. Oh, and the Zapdos. I didn't even know there was another card back there. It was stuck on there.
So I guess you can get shiny. I guess the only time you can get shinies is in the like reverse color card.
We will say
That's
that's a good hit right there.
That's a hit. That's a hit.
Anything shiny is great, but
Everything
we
else.
just gotta see exactly how that lines up.
But that's a really cool little card.
Well,
I like how shinies look. They have.
Gyarados paid out. Look, here we go. There's Gyarados.
All right, now we get into the Charizards.
Two, and you can open this guy. You opened that one last time.
We gotta guess the energy now.
Brock's Grit, Graveler, Farfetch, Pikachu, Magikarp, Coughing, Clefairy, Staryu.
Oh!
Oh, look at that. Magnezone.
Oh, double
And
hit.
Wigglytuff GX. Hey, man.
That's
These
pretty
are
good.
these are hitting way better than the last ones I bought.
A GX Whisper?
And that was the first pack.
Yeah, first off look. So the Charizard is really good. Zards can always be on your side. You know that, guys.
Always get the job.
No matter if you like Gyarados, get the stars.
Alright. Show them what you got, dude. Water. No.
Graveler, Chansey, Rocks, Pewter, City Gem, Ekans, Eevee, Pikachu, Clefairy, oh, Pika Pika, Jigglypuff, oh,
Froakie.
Lapis. The rare looks pretty cool. Lapis. Wow,
Nice magic, dog.
that was pretty good. It was just rare.
Oh, it was just the rare. The rares are important too, dude.
At least it wasn't like some rare $1,000.
Hey, man, you never know. It might not be right now, but it could be later. You're over here dropping it like it's nothing. Oh, I was supposed to guess that, but, you know, I was too busy yelling at you for whatever. Metapod. Giovanni's Exile. That's what I'm going to do to you, but your name's Ethan. Paris.
Ethan's exile.
Charmander. Slowpoke. Psyduck. Pikachu.
Pika Pika.
Oh, Guzzlord.
Charizard's being good to us.
And Kangaskhan. Fire.
Water.
Oh, bang. Jinx. Misty's Determination. Matt's Determination on getting the Charizard. Brock's Pewter City Gym. Jigglypuff.
Jiggly.
Coughing. Staryu. Ekans. Caterpie.
Oh!
Mount Coronet. Oh, nice.
Charizard's been good to us.
Really? And a Raichu GX. Sweet, man.
I think we got a hit.
Hold up. Hey, this is Christmas.
This
This is Christmas. This is Christmas.
There's that Santa look.
Yeah. I mean, I'm always down with gold cards.
Oh my gosh. This is already getting better than. Looks like Gyarados.
I mean,
Not so good.
no, it's still.
It's good, but not as good as the Charizard.
Because they put out a lot out of 4 packs.
2 GXs, 3 shinies.
Hey, there is a Charizard. In it.
Oh, let's go.
Okay. I didn't realize that. But we will save that bad boy for last. We'll just get to him later.
YouTube.
Alright, which one you want to open? Mew or Mewtwo?
Yeah. Mew. Because I like Mew a lot.
There you go. Oh, here, sorry.
We both have to guess the energy, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure there's no sticky parts. Dark energy.
Fairy energy.
Ah,
None of us got it
electric energy. All right, dude, pull something good.
right. Electric energy. My energy. Chansey. Graveler, I see something. Giovanni's Exile. Geodude. Clefairy. Eevee. Ekans. Pear.
Oh, Koga's Trap. All right, and Mew.
I guess that was.
Yeah.
You want to see the one?
Well,
Looks like my last pack luck wasn't so good.
it wasn't so lucky, but it's okay. Your magic can still rub off.
Pikachu magic. I can't believe only one Charizard that evolved.
Fire energy.
Water.
Yeah.
Darn it.
Now, let me say, if I guess the energy, I'm going to attempt to guess the card. So we're going to go with Charizard.
Okay,
Yeah, we're
Charizard.
going to go with Charizard. Brock's Grit, Farfetch'd, Graveler, Magikarp, Pikachu,
Charizard.
Voltorb, Coughing, and this will be the amazing rare spot, right? No? Cubone.
Charizard.
Oh, another gold card.
Ooh.
Mewtwo GX.
GX.
Glad I got these.
That's a double hitter
Just
pack.
ding, 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 ding.
I guess
ding, ding, ding.
Charizard is better than everybody. A gold card in the first pack. I mean second pack.
Dude, if that was a Charizard, that would have been awesome.
Yeah, that would have been every single one. It was a Charizard.
Shrine of Punishment.
Ooh. Like you would probably say that's gonna be me one day.
Okay.
Second to last pack. Santa sprayed some good luck.
Fairy Energy.
Fire. Grass.
Koga's Trap. Misty's Cerulean City Gym. Lieutenant Surge's Strategy. Ekans.
I'm guessing Charizard. I'm guessing Charizard, right?
You know, like this? Yeah. Charmander.
Char.
Slowpoke. Psyduck. Mr. Mime.
Done. Last pack luck.
Alright, guys.
And it's a
Wish us
Charizard.
luck. I mean, there's got to be something because, like, only two out. Like, come on. There's something in here.
Yeah, it's gotta be something.
Okay, let's go. Fire.
Charizard. Charizard's gonna be a thing.
I'm not even gonna call it out. We're just gonna roll with it.
Whoa.
Oh, nice.
That's,
Not the Charizard, but
that one I think is going for a lot. I think that one's going for quite a
it
bit.
is, and the centering isn't like terrible. It's a little
Yeah,
low. But I mean, hey man, that's nice.
I think the second box we opened was the best. This one.
We might. I don't know. I gotta look because
Yeah. it depends
these
on the
are pretty far up there, especially this one graded. But there's a lot of good stuff in here for a box that only costs like $20.
My favorite Eevee evolution, type in the comments which ones is yours. Umbreon.
I have the Rainbow Rare of Umbreon.
Oh yeah, really.
Yeah, from a $1 pack,
Mm-hmm.
a dollar store pack.
So Umbreon is my favorite evolution.
Oh
Eevee
well,
evolution. What's your favorite Eevee evolution? You ask me.
I don't know.
My dad does not know.
I do not know. I like them all.
Type yours in the comments, guys.
right, guys. A success on Christmas. No Charizard. Beggars can't be choosers. We did get a good amount of other things that probably made up. Well, no, it didn't make up for it because that Charizard's like, it's A1. We got a B plus. Nah, we got A minus because we got that bad boy, that one, and a couple gold cards. Yeah, you'll see in the recap. Yeah. But it was definitely a very nice Christmas. Hopefully we have some luck in the morning because we're going to open up some Vivid Voltage booster box and we're going to look for that Rainbow Rare Pikachu.
Sneak peek.
Oh, there it is. Ah, it's going to be awesome. Wish us luck. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow.
Peace. I love y'all. I can't open this. Can you open it now? Record.
Sure.
We're swapping.
You want a treat, Lovey?
I want to give it to her though.
Okay.
Now we switch back.
Okay.
I'm gonna give her one. Should I give her a dark one? Or I'm gonna give her one of those cake ones.
No!
You gotta wait. Gotta wait. Sit. Pretty dance. Paul. Paul. Tell me. Tell me. Alright, good girl. Good girl. She gets her one little Christmas tree.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, Stubby Puppy.